Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear learners. I welcome you to English Grade 6 video lessons. I'm your instructor Zia Hamid. I hope that you're doing well and enjoying good health. We are dealing with unit number 1 titled Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam's Patience. This will be our lecture number 3, and now let's get started by reading our Students Learning Outcome or SLO. It says, identify the part of speech of a word through abbreviation used. So what are we doing in this lesson? We are going to see that how we can find a part of speech, about the part of speech that is used using its abbreviation, the short form, whenever it comes up, whether it's in a dictionary or thesaurus or any other reference material. So we will develop a skill of recognizing parts of speech through their abbreviations or short forms. So now let's get started. Here is a vertical linkage of this SLO with the previous grade's SLO. My dear learners, let's begin with an interesting brainstorming activity for you. It's time to storm your brain and answer this question. Where do you look for the meaning of a word when you find it difficult to understand? Think about it. What do you do if you come across a word and you are unaware of the meaning? You look up in the dictionary. So, and you may ask your friend, you can ask your teacher. There are so many options, but we are talking about using dictionaries. So we consult the dictionary to find the unknown word's meaning. So I hope that you are prepared and interested in the lesson after this brainstorming activity. My dear learners, abbreviations of parts of speech is our today's topic of the video. So parts of speech in the dictionary, let's look it up. A dictionary tells us the parts of speech a word can be. The part of speech is usually denoted with an abbreviation. So you may have seen that in the dictionary, when you're looking for a word, with that word you have a abbreviation, and that abbreviation represents the part of speech. It tells you that whether the word that you're looking for is a noun, an adjective, an adverb, a preposition, and so on. So this indication is of the parts of speech. For example, patience here is a noun. Uncountable, the ability to stay calm and accept a delay or something annoying without complaining. So this here followed by a slash is our indication of the part of speech, our abbreviation. So my dear learners, let's see some other examples also. For example, if you're looking for a word in the Oxford Dictionary, the Mini Dictionary, or any other one, this word abortive here, this abbreviation is mentioned, ADJ. It represents adjective. So now, for example, let's look at this word about. About here is prep, means it's a preposition. This is the abbreviation of preposition. The abbreviations are mostly, they are taken from the first 2 or 3 letters of the part of speech word that we are talking about. For example, preposition will be prep, adjective will be adj, noun will be denoted by n, and so on. Here let's see some other example. Breakfast is a noun denoted by n. Some more examples are here. You can pause the video and look them up thoroughly. Think is a verb. Also thirsty is an adjective. On is the preposition. They will there is pronoun denoted by pron followed by a period or a full stop. So similarly, conjunction, interjection, adverb, and so on. So we have seen all the parts of speech's abbreviation and how we can identify them in the dictionary or thesaurus. We are going to do an interesting activity. Now look at up your page number 5, consult a dictionary and find part of speech of the following words through the abbreviations. The words are given here: quality, kind, embrace, and harshly. So these are the words. You have to look it up in your dictionary and identify the abbreviation with the word and identify the speech. Use a thesaurus and find synonyms for the following words: forbearance, testament, conversation, revenge, barbarian. These are the words, and my dear learners, you know that a thesaurus is a reference material, but it has synonyms and antonyms of words. It's like dictionary, but it's focused on finding the synonyms and antonyms of any word. So that's why we use thesaurus. And my dear learner, keep this in mind that these activities will be done in pairs. Now, my fellow teachers, here is a worksheet that is attached in the resources of the video. So for homework, we have an interesting question. Read the text of the lesson and find different parts of speech. Write the words with their relevant parts of speech in abbreviation form. Use dictionary for this purpose. You can use a pocket-sized dictionary, a full-fledged sized dictionary, or you can also look them up in online dictionaries. So finally, we are here at the end of the lesson. We have some resources for your help. They are worksheet, presentation, a lesson plan, question bank, and also, last but not the least, a skill sheet. All these things are they can be found in the description of the video. I hope that you enjoyed learning about understanding, pointing out, and understanding the abbreviations of part of speech from your dictionaries or your thesauruses. Thank you, my dear learners. Until the very next lecture, Allah Hafiz.